Yeah, I'm great. How about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Okay.
I about to, I mean, after this you need to go to your work?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do you work? I mean,
I'm working for iGate right now.
oh, okay.
Okay. Right. Okay. So hope my screen is visible.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Okay. So let us start with the first topic, sir. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hope you're ready with your pen and notebook. And I would suggest you to record the session, sir.
How can I do that?
1 second. Let me
Yeah,
see
that's
whether
what
you are.
I want you to ask to. I mean, just in case if I have any difficulty, I can defer
One
back.
second. 1 second. 1 second. See, in your GoToMeeting toolbox, you must be seeing one
Yeah, I see
start
now.
recording.
Uh,
Start recording on your
no.
GoToMeeting window.
Yeah, it's record, is there? Right? Record audio.
Yeah. Just click on that start recording. It gets recorded automatically.
I don't see any start recording, eh? It
You
says
must
no
be.
recording. And just wait, I'll see.
On your GoToMeeting box.
Yeah, go
GoToMeeting
to
toolbox.
meeting control panel, right?
On that, you have
Yeah.
start recording. You
Uh,
must be having start recording.
I have just a red button called record. I clicked it. It's saying
Uh,
recording.
Hello, sir.
That's enough.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ravi.
Actually,
Yes.
sir, I'll be recording the session, sir. After the session, I'll just share with Ravi, sir.
Oh, no problem.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
Okay,
fine.
okay,
That's
sir.
fine.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah. Bye. Okay. So, okay. Right. So, first let us start up with the enterprise structure, Ravi. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, please put the heading enterprise structure or organizational structure.
Okay.
In that, step number 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hope you know how to enter into SAP, right?
No, I don't know.
Oh, okay. So I
Yeah.
thought you must
I
be
I
knowing.
I am.
Hello? Yeah, sorry?
I'm new to SAP. I'm new
Okay,
to
fine.
SAP.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, on your system, they must
Okay.
have installed SAP, right? Like SAP GUI, you will be able to see SAP logon icon on your system. Okay, it will be like this. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Ravi.
Yeah, I don't know. I got disconnected.
Yeah, as it is the first, you are new to this. These things will happen. Don't worry, sir. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Hope my screen is visible now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can see your
Right.
screen.
See, on your system, you must be seeing SAP logon icon. Okay. SAP logon. Okay.
Yeah.
Just
I see. I see it. I see it, Jay.
okay. So just click on that.
No, they didn't install me anything on my system.
They will be doing or today or tomorrow, I think.
Okay,
Hello.
yeah. I'm just looking at your screen.
Yes. Yeah. Please note it down, sir. How to log in into SAP.
Sure,
Okay?
sure. Uh-huh.
I'll start from the beginning. So your
Sure.
first step is logging into SAP.
Okay.
Logging into SAP.
Okay.
Okay. Just double click on SAP logon icon. Double click on SAP logon icon.
Yeah.
Click on logon. Click on logon.
Okay.
Once you click on logon,
Uh-huh.
it will prompt you to give user ID and password. This user ID and password will be given to you by them, by the consultancy. Okay.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Okay.
And
So
just welcome to IDES ECC 6.0 is the version?
yes, here
Okay.
IDES ECC 6.0. So actually SAP has started with 4.0. Okay. Then it has upgraded to 4.2, then 4.5, 4.7, 5.0, 5.2, and 6, and 7 is under development process. It is about to release. Okay.
Then as of now 6 is the latest one.
6 is the latest one, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So the username for me is SAP user. Okay. So give the username and password provided by your consultancy.
Sure.
Okay. Press enter.
Okay.
Once you press enter, you will be entering into a screen called SAP Easy Access screen. Okay. Once you are entered into, and once you, after giving user ID and password, press enter, then system will to the screen called SAP Easy Access screen. So as far as concerned to SAP, there are only two screens to know, sir. Only two screens. One is SAP Easy Access screen and the another one is IMG screen. SAP Easy Access screen and the second one is IMG screen. This IMG. What is this IMG screen and what is this Easy Access screen? Or what is the difference between Easy Access and IMG? Or how can we differentiate between Easy Access screen and IMG screen? See, in the last demonstration, I have explained you about a consultant and end user, right?
Yep.
So, end user is responsible for data processing. He will process the transactions into the system, right?
Yeah, you're right, yeah.
So, whatever the data processing, the transactions will be processed by the end user. Transactions will be processed by the end user using the screen called SAP Easy Access screen. So SAP Easy Access screen is a screen which is used by the end users in order to do the data processing. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next screen, IMG screen. Okay. So to the IMG screen, we will go via Easy Access screen only. How do we go to the IMG screen? I'll show you. You don't need to write it down, sir. Okay.
Sure.
Just okay. See here, you are able.
You'll be right.
Tell me, sir.
You'll be sending me a link for the materials too, right?
Yes. Okay. Right. So in above SAP Easy Access, you will be able to see box which is white in color.
Yep.
This is called as command box. So in this command box, this also you don't need to write, sir. I'll tell you when to write.
Sure.
Okay. So just you need to type SPRO, press enter. SPRO, press enter. Then
what do you mean by SPRO?
I'll tell you, sir.
Okay.
Click on SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Once you click on SAP reference IMG, Then system will take you to the screen called display IMG screen. It will take you to the screen called display IMG screen. See here. Right? So what is this IMG screen? So IMG screen is a screen which is used by the consultants in order to do configurational settings, customizational settings. Okay, so this is the screen which is exclusively used by the consultants. It will not be used by the end users, and even end users doesn't have access to IMG screen in real time. Okay. But whereas consultants will have access to both IMG as well as easy access screen.
Easy access. Okay.
Yeah. So as far as concerned to SAP, there are only two screens. One is easy access screen and the other one is IMG screen. Easy access screen is used by the end users in order to process the regular transactions happened in the business organization. And IMG screen is a screen used by the consultants in order to do the customization or configurational settings. Hope I'm clear with my explanation.
Sure.
Okay. Now, put the heading enterprise structure.
Okay.
Before we start up with enterprise structure, note down SPRO stands for SPRO. SPRO stands for semi-programming runway operations.
Okay.
Semi-programming runway operations. Or
Okay.
SAP reference object. SAP reference object.
SAP reference object. Okay.
Yeah. So semi-program runway operations or SAP reference object. Which one is correct? If you ask me, even I too say I don't know the answer. The reason behind that is some people in real time they tell semi-programming runway operations. Some people says SAP reference object. Okay.
Okay.
So when you go for interview, if your interviewer asks, tell both, because he must be knowing one between these two only.
Okay.
Okay. So you will be on safer side. Then IMG.
Okay.
IMG stands for implementation guide. Implementation guide. Implementation guide.
Okay.
The next SAP. SAP. Systems, applications and products in data processing. Systems, applications
and
products in data processing.
Okay.
That's all, sir. So this is about SPRO, IMG and SAP. Okay. And SAP, it has originated in the year 1973 in Germany. 1973 in Germany. The city is Waldorf. WALDORF. Waldorf.
Okay.
That means why I am telling these statistics is it has, before 73 there was no ERP called SAP.
Yeah, that's true.
And there were number of ERPs which are available prior to 1973, and SAP has started in the year 1973, and within no time it has boomed like anything.
Okay. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello sir, 1 second. Let me check with trainer once. I think he's having like mic problem, I guess.
Okay, not a problem.
1 second.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah. Where we are, sir? We are discussing about.
Discussing about SAP is evolved in 1973 and all this. I mean,
Yeah, 1973, and from Germany, in Germany, from World of City. Okay.
okay.
Right. So now let us start up with enterprise structure. Okay.
Okay.
In that, step number one. Step number one. Step number one.
Okay.
Define company. Define or create company. Define or create company.
Okay.
Yeah. So please underline that step, and after that take down as path. P-A-T-H.
Okay.
Path. Okay. Now note down, sir. SPRO. Where to type SPRO? You know it now.
Yeah.
SPRO. Then press enter. Press enter. Then SAP reference IMG. Click on SAP reference IMG. Click on SAP reference IMG. Then enterprise structure. Here you are able to see enterprise structure.
Yeah. Now all these other links I see are the module names.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay.
They are different modules, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Enterprise structure. Then definition. Okay. And financial accounting. Here financial accounting. And define company.
Okay.
Just beside this is called as node. Define company, define credit control area, all these are called as nodes. Okay.
Okay.
Just beside define company, you are having an icon looking like a clock, right? This one. Okay. Yeah. Now define company. Yeah. Before we define company, first let us try to understand what is a company. How do we define a company? Or what is the meaning of company or definition of company? What exactly it represents from the perspective of factor called finance? Okay. Any contribution from your side, sir? What is a company?
Company means if you take Dell itself is a company, right?
Correct. Next.
And it has different entities. I mean, Dell has different branches.
Correct. You are
right?
Yes. Okay. So let me add some more knowledge to your knowledge bank. Okay. So what exactly? How do we define the term company from the perspective of finance module? So basically, as you know very much, company is nothing but it's an organization. It's an entity. It represents an enterprise. It represents a business organization. That is what we know, right?
Yeah.
But to understand company, let me give an example. So with the example, let us try to understand effectively what is the concept of company from the perspective of SAP finance module. Okay. See, you must have heard about an organization called Kodak.
Mm-hmm.
So Kodak, it has business across the world in different countries.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So globally, Kodak is known as Kodak Global Limited.
Okay.
Okay. So it is doing business in US, it is doing business in India, it doing in Japan, doing in UK, doing in South Korea, North Korea. In so many other countries it is doing business, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So in US, the Kodak organization is called as Kodak US Inc.
Mm-hmm.
Listen to my explanation very carefully, sir. Okay, because it is fundamental concept.
Definitely, yeah.
Kodak in US, it is known as Kodak US Inc. In UK, it is called as Kodak UK Limited. In India, it is represented as Kodak IN Limited, Kodak India Limited. Okay. In Japan, Kodak Japan Limited. In South Korea, it is called as Kodak South Korea Limited. Okay. So to represent all these organizations, to represent the business of Kodak organization in different countries, to represent business of Kodak in different countries across the globe, combinedly it is known as Kodak Global Limited. Okay. So whatever the Kodak Global Limited we are calling, whatever the Kodak Global Limited we are discussing about, this Kodak Global Limited is a company from the perspective of SAP Finance module. Okay. So what exactly company represents? Company represents a group. Company represents a combined entity. Company represents a consolidated entity. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So that means when you speak about a term company, company represents an organization which must be doing business in number of countries. Okay. It represents a group. It's a consolidated entity, consolidated group. Okay. So that is what is the meaning of company. Hope you have understood. Okay. So click on this clock icon.
If Kodak do business only in India, nowhere else, it will be also a company, right?
Yes. Correct.
It need not to be global.
Yes, yes. Need not be global. Okay. So click on this icon, clock icon, beside this define company. Left to that define company, you are able to see icon looking like a clock, round clock.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Yeah. Click on that. Click on new entries here. New entries. You need to note it down, sir, please. Yeah. Click on new entries.
Yeah.
Okay. So now company. So basically each and every entity in SAP represented in the form of codes. That code can be alphabets or numericals or alphanumericals, combination of both alphabets and numericals. Okay. So just I'm giving here RAVI. Okay. RAVI SJ. Okay. RAVISJ. Need not be RAVISJ, whatever you want you can give, sir. Just I'm using your name.
Okay. Okay. That's fine.
Yeah. And the name I'm giving Ravi Global Limited. Ravi Global Limited. Ravi Global Limited. Okay. Then street. Let's say business street. You need to type it completely, sir. Okay. For me, if I press B, it will come business street because already I have used the term.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Business street. Then PO box number. If you have any PO box number, just give that. Then postal code. Just I'm giving like this. Then city. Okay. You are from which city in India, sir?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. So I'm giving Hyderabad. Okay. Yeah, you told me. I remembered. So Hyderabad, and the country, obviously country would be IN. India. Language key, give English, EN, and the currency is INR. And the currency is INR. Okay. So now we are creating a company called Ravi Global Limited. So when we are using the term global, that means Ravi Global Limited is an organization which is doing business in more than one country. Okay, that is what is the meaning. Okay. So now continuation, sir. You are able to write it down, right, with my speed?
Yeah, actually, I'm not writing this. I mean, detail. I mean, this address and all this. Before
Okay.
that, I took notes, but not at the screen.
Okay. Please note it down, sir, if possible.
Sure.
Okay. Company Ravi SJ. Initially, it will be something like boring, but you will get used to that.
No, that's fine. Yeah.
Yeah. So company Ravi SJ, company name Ravi Global Limited, then street, post box, PO box, postal code, city, country, language key, currency. Okay.
Yeah.
Then click on save here. Something looking like an icon, looking like a floppy. Click on save. Once you click on save, okay, you will get a window like this. It says prompt for customizing request. Okay, so what is customizing request? I'll explain after some time, after some steps. Okay. Once you click on save, you will be getting this window. Then click on this create. Create request. Click on create request. Then give the short description. Ravi SAP implementation.
Okay.
Ravi SAP implementation. You can give any description. Need not be SAP implementation. Okay. So Ravi SAP implementation. Then click on save here. Click on save. Down, top left, sorry, bottom left. Click on save. Now see, Ravi SAP implementation, right? Press enter. Press enter and get the message data was saved. Bottom left again.
Yeah.
And get the message data was saved. Data was saved. Please note down, sir, whatever I am saying. Okay.
Yeah.
You need to compulsorily write it down. Data was saved.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want me to go further slow, I'll go slow. Don't worry.
No, I wrote it.
Yeah, so data was saved. So now what we have designed, what we have defined, or what we have created is, we have created a company called Ravi Global Limited. Okay.
Yeah.
So Ravi Global Limited is a consolidated entity. It's a group, right?
Okay.
Now, looking at this, we have given here currency INR, right? So this currency is called as group currency. Whatever the currency we have given while defining the company. I'll repeat once again, sir. Whatever the currency we have given while defining company, that currency is called as group currency, or also it is called as consolidated currency. Consolidated currency or group currency. And one more point, interesting point is, whatever the report you generate at company level, whatever the report we generate at company level, that is called as group report or consolidated report.
Okay.
The report which is generated at company level is called as group report or consolidated report, and the information in that report, information in that group report will be with a defaulted currency which is defined at company level. Got the point, sir?
Yeah.
So these are all the 2 points which we need to remember. So first point is the report which is generated at company level is called as group report or consolidated report. And the second point, group report or consolidated report will be generated with a defaulted currency which is defined at company level. Okay? Right?
Yeah.
So this is what, how do we create a company? As it is how we have created now, in the same way we will create in real time in case of implementation project. Okay? So when an organization, if a company is
SAP and want to implement SAP, then our starting point is to define, create a company.
Yeah, from finance perspective.
Yeah.
Okay, from SD, sales and distribution module, it is different. Okay. They will create sales organization first. If you take MM, they will create purchase organization. Okay. If you take production planning, they create plant, like that. Okay. So whatever we discuss, initially we will be discussing from the perspective of finance. Okay. Then second step, sir. Second step
management in the sense is
inventory.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So second step number 2.
Okay.
Define or create company code. Define or create. Yeah. Shall I?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Define or create company code. Yeah, using OX02. OX02. I'll tell you what is this OX02. Okay. Intentionally, I'll skip some things. I'll postpone some things, sir. I will not skip. I'll postpone. Okay.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Because if I tell all those things, you will be bored.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that? I'm looking at the previous screen. There's another additional information and some codes are coming, right?
I'll tell. That is why I told you I'll postpone some things.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. Just curious.
Yeah. Path, sir. Take down the path. Okay. SPRO. SPRO.
Yeah.
What is SPRO?
SPRO stands for semi-programming runway operations. Yeah.
Okay, so we will be able to tell without turning back the page, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just kidding.
Yeah, I know.
SPRO. Then SAP reference IMG. Then enterprise structure. Okay. Definition. Then financial accounting. Okay. Then edit, copy, delete, check company code. Edit, copy, delete, check company code.
After financial accounting, right?
Yeah.
Edit, copy. Yeah, that's right.
Delete, check company code. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Hope you have written down this.
Yeah, I wrote it.
Okay, so click on this icon. Then double click. Write down very carefully, sir. I'm not saying click. I said double click.
Yeah.
Double click on edit company code data. Second option, not the first option. Second option.
Okay,
double
before
click.
that, we went to edit, copy, delete, check company code.
Yeah.
You clicked on it, right?
Yes.
Just clicked on it, okay. And you went to
Once you,
this screen.
yeah.
Okay.
So double click on edit company code data. Double click on edit company code data. Write down very carefully, sir. If you click on edit company code data, if you write like that, throughout the day you will be clicking. System will not go for it. Okay. Then click on new entries. Click on new entries. New entries. Because that is what happened in my case.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was getting angry on my trainer like anything. So, so click on new entries. Yeah. Now, before filling up company code, before we complete designing the company code, first let us try to understand what is a company code. How do we define the term company code from the perspective of SAP Finance module? To understand company code, let us go back to our example which we have discussed when we are discussing about company. Okay. So, I have given example Kodak Global Limited, right?
Yeah.
Kodak Global Limited is a company. Now, the same Kodak Global Limited in US it is called as Kodak US Inc. In India it is called as Kodak IN Limited, India Limited. In Japan, Kodak Japan Limited. In UK, Kodak UK Limited, right? So, observe here, when you speak about Kodak US Limited, when you are saying Kodak US Limited, that means it represents business of Kodak organization with respect to country US exclusively. Am I right? And when you speak about, when you tell Kodak India Limited, it represents business of Kodak organization with respect to country India only.
Yeah.
So when you speak about Kodak Japan, it represents Japan. South Korea, it represents South Korea, right?
Yeah.
So what are all these we are calling? Kodak US Limited, Kodak IN Limited, Kodak Japan Limited, Kodak UK Limited. All these are company codes.
Okay.
Hope you understood. So company code is an entity which represents an organization with respect to a particular country.
Entity which represents?
Which represents a business organization with respect to a particular country.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm giving, it's a company code in SAP. It will be represented with 4-digit alphanumerical code. 4-digit, maximum of 4, minimum could be 1. Okay. So just I'm taking RV01. RV01. Okay. And I'll name it as Ravi India Limited. Ravi IN Limited. Okay. Then city Hyderabad. Country India. Currency INR. Language is English. RV01 Ravi India Limited. That means Ravi India Limited in SAP it will be represented with RV01. Okay. So city is Hyderabad, IN, country is IN, currency is INR, language is EN. Click on save. Click on save. Once you click on save, system will give us one more window. This is the window. Okay. Here title, give company. Okay. Don't confuse with the term, sir. Company means not the company we have defined in the first step. Company means whether it is an individual or partnership firm or an organization. Here. Okay. Name, RAVI INDIA India Limited. Ravi India Limited. Then street. Okay. Any street. Okay. So let's say Ravi Street,
Here on
house
the left
number.
side, you defined Ravi IN Limited, right? And this Ravi India Limited will be the same.
Yes, both are same, sir. Exact. Good observation, sir. I was expecting this observation from you actually. Okay. See here, generally here we use short forms. In this address form, we give complete. Okay. Ravi India Limited. Then how, this is what we need to observe, sir, actually. So many people doesn't observe these. Okay. So to become a qualitative consultant, to become a good and qualitative consultant and effective consultant, one should have excellent observation skills. Okay. Especially as far as concerned to SAP Finance. Observation does matters a lot in setting up your career. Okay. Okay. So number, house number, any number, just I'm giving 432. In real time, actual address will be maintained, sir, as you know. Sure. Yeah. Okay. So postal code and city Hyderabad and the country IN. If you want, you can maintain mobile number, telephone number, fax, official email ID and all those things. Okay. So give the title, name, street number, postal code Hyderabad, country IN. Press enter. Press enter for 2 times. Press enter for 2 times. I said 2 times, sir. Please note it down without fail. Press enter for 2 times. Number 1 I pressed. Again, second time I'm pressing. Okay. Data was saved.
So this prompt for customization request will always come?
Yes, will always come. For each and every step, it will come.
Because it is a new implementation,
yeah.
Right?
Yes, okay. Yes. Okay, so data was saved. Get the message, data was saved. So far we have created we have completed 2 steps under enterprise structure. We have, first we have defined company, which is a global, and the second one company code. That is, company code we have defined for India, Ravi India Limited. Okay. So here, whatever RV01 we have used, this RV01 will represent Ravi Business Organization with respect to country India only. That means using the RV01, we can get reports of Ravi organization with respect to India only. Okay. You will come to know the performance of Ravi organization using RV01 with respect to country India only. Clear? Okay. Now, one more point, important point. Here we have given currency, right? So whatever the currency we have defined, we have given while designing company code, the currency which is given while designing the company code, that currency is called as local currency or company code currency. Local currency or company code currency for that company code. Remaining all other currencies are called as foreign currencies for that particular company code. So here, other than INR, you take any other currency, USD, pounds or whatever it is, okay, all other currencies are considered as foreign currencies with respect to company code RV01. Yeah. INR is the local currency or company code currency. Yeah. Clear? Yeah. And whatever the report we generate at company code level, that report will contain information with respect to a particular country only. It doesn't contain information related to other countries. Are you getting me? Hello?
You mean if you run a report at the company code level, right?
Yes.
You'll get the information about that particular company code.
Yes, that particular company code and that particular country to which it belongs to.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Understand.
Right.
Yeah.
So this is what is these are all the points which we need to remember when we speak about company code. So first point, company code is a 4-digit alphanumerical code. It can be the 4 digits can be complete alphabets or complete numericals or combination of both. So why I have taken combination of both alphabets and numericals is, so far around 7 projects I have worked, sir. In all the 7 projects, I have observed company codes with the combination of alphabets and numericals.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the reason why I have given and. These are all the points where you will be concentrated in interviews, so that your interviewer come to know whether you kept fake experience or real experience.
Okay.
So these are the simple things, simple techniques generally they use to understand whether the candidate is a fake candidate or genuine candidate. Okay, please do remember, sir. Okay?
Sure.
So company code, company and city, clear?
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah.
Okay. The next step number 3. Define or create business area. Define or create business area using OX03. OX03. OX03 will be seen in tomorrow's session, sir. Okay. So though I have joined a bit delayed, okay, I would like to stop here itself, because as it is a first session, I don't want to give you much stuff. Okay.
Yeah, not a problem.
So,
Yeah.
okay, let us learn the subject like a tonic, sir. Okay.
Definitely. If you want me to learn something by tomorrow's class, let me know. I'll brush up and be ready.
Not required, sir. As of now, not required. Whatever we have discussed, just practice them or just revise them. That's all.
Sure. And to look at this, SAP and get a feel, they will give me the access, right?
Yeah, they will be giving you, sir. Don't worry. Okay.
And is there any SharePoint or something where you can get the material too? I mean, the documents.
Yeah, you will have to wait for 5 to 6 days, sir. I'll be giving material to the consultancy. They will be sending you.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Why I'm telling is, this is too early to go through the material for you.
Okay. Yeah. That's fine.
Because
that's fine. Just
where I have mentioned so many things, which are some technical parts I have mentioned, some functional parts also I have mentioned. Okay. So after completing 5 to 6 sessions, I would suggest you to go through the document.
Sure.
That will benefit you more. Okay. Okay, sir. So we'll meet in tomorrow's session. Okay.
Thanks. Yeah.
Hope. Yeah, you're welcome, sir. Hope I've understood what is company and company code.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Right, sir. See you in tomorrow's session. Till then, have a nice time, sir.
You too. Thanks.
Yeah. Bye.
Hello? Hello? Hello?